Success is a lonely road. Most people won't understand your drive, your obsession, or your hunger. You'll be misunderstood, doubted, and criticized. But that's the price of becoming great. Diamonds are made under pressure, and if you can handle the pressure, you'll shine. Consistency is the real key. It doesn't care how you feel, it just rewards those who show up every day. To win, you must take risks, believe it's already yours, and act with conviction. Growth requires sacrifice. Learn to say no to distractions and focus on what truly matters. Change begins inside. New thoughts create new actions, and new actions shape a new reality. You must become someone different to create a different life. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, not those who drain you. Your potential is limitless if you believe. Success isn't about luck. It's about purpose, discipline, and persistence. It's about betting on yourself, facing rejection, and never giving up. Every hardship, every failure, every setback is shaping your character. Don't chase comfort, embrace the struggle, for it builds strength. The only time to act is now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Life is short. Take control, design your vision, and move forward with urgency. Everything begins in the mind. Believe, focus, and align your actions with your purpose. You are the author of your story. Each day is a new page. Don't let fear or excuses hold you back. Keep showing up, keep believing, and keep growing. Because the moment you decide to change, everything will change for you.